Okay, we got a flood going on here across the road. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the dam. Then I thought, so I'm just gonna open this thing up now. I just want to get the water flowing down the right side of the road. These dumb blackberry vines that have been allowed to grow in the ditch, they're plugging the ditch up. The problem with this ditch right here is it's full of blackberry vines, so getting the debris out was super hard. It was all entangled in it, and I didn't even get it. I couldn't get it all out. What needs to happen is next time they work on this road for the drainages, they need to rip out all these blackberry vines and get them out of the ditch, because they're grabbing onto the debris and holding it like a net. And the roots go down really deep. They're not superficial. They're down like 3 feet in the water, and I couldn't get them out. But at least I got it to where it's not flowing across the road right now.